Hi, welcome to this tutorial on how to create a exploded view, or also known as a technical illustrations. We're going to be using a tool from Zea, obviously, called Zea Illustrations. And for this exercise, we're going to be using a parrot NFI or NFE. I'm not too sure exactly how we pronounce it, but a parrot drone. The reason why we're using a parrot drone is Parrot uses Zea to create all of the technical illustrations for their manuals, and also you can go to Parrot's website, download the files for yourself. I recommend using the step file because that's the one we're using, so you could follow along with us and test it out. So right now I've processed the NFI drone into Zea, but you'll realize that it doesn't quite look like the drone that Parrot has on its website. The Parrot drone is all black, whereas we've got this collection of colors. So let's start by fixing that one up. We're going to click on Inspect. What the inspector does is it basically operates as a free CAD viewer. So you can come around, move things around, but nothing ever gets saved unless you save it. So I'm just going to click Ctrl-Z and bring that back to its neutral place. Next, I'm going to want to create a color, or I guess a material in our case, for to make the drone look black. So let's come over here and maybe we'll go into the blues and we'll pick a color that's something like that. It's not going to be perfect, but it's going to be good enough. And from there we can just start painting everything the right color. All right, so let's say that this is good enough for us at the moment. I'm just going to come up here. I'm going to click Save. Super important because we're going to go create a technical illustration now, and we want all of this coloration to be included. So I'm going to close this down. Now that we've got the drone all colored up, let's go create that technical illustration. So we're going to enter into Zea Illustrations and create a new project. This one you can call it really anything you want, so let's not be too creative and let's just call this technical illustration. It's going to open up blank as an empty project. So the next thing we're going to do is going to go get that model that we just cleaned up. So here we can see that we don't have too much stuff. It's pretty easy to find, and let's add it to the project. Next, we're going to click Save Camera. Because we're going to be removing the battery in this, we're going to position the drone a little bit closer to the bottom left corner, and we're going to create a call out saying this is the battery. So I'm just going to Control A to highlight everything. We're going to call this a battery, and we actually want this to be a rectangle. With this, quite happy. So let's create a new view. From this new view, we don't actually want the call out to be visible. So let's remove that. And what we're going to do is we're going to come down here and we're going to choose the battery. So this is the assembly that contains the whole battery. Let's slide it out and save camera. So now we have the battery assembled with the view and then the battery removed. From here, this pretty much concludes the end of the technical illustration, but there's one last thing that I really want to show you. You can go into File, Publish, and publish this project. What's really interesting about this is from here, we get a link that you can embed either on your website or share. So right here, what I did is I'm previewing the link that we just created with these two illustrations. And if you noticed, we have the option to choose always current or choose the version. We can also choose to display the views or not. We're going to keep the views displayed because there's something really important that we forgot to do, which is here with the battery removed, we actually want to add a call out. So let's add another call out to this, and we'll just call this one battery removed. For the lack of creativity, let's update this view. Next, if we come back over here to the published view, what's super interesting is that we now have, whoops, I should have updated the first view. Let's come back over here to the first view, and the battery removed is definitely not supposed to be visible. Let's refresh this. And we have the battery removed. So this is as easy as it is to update technical illustrations that have already been published, whether this is published on your website, in a technical training course, or a live presentation, anywhere else that you might be giving. There you have it, technical illustrations using Zea Illustrations. Have a great day.